Hi, I'm Cassandra McClure, the creator of Lash Binder. As a professional makeup artist in the industry for over 10 years, I saw a need for a safe and quick eyelash applicator solution like this one. Lash Binder is a tool that I developed to hold lashes and apply them safely and quickly. A few of my favorite parts about Lash Binder are that there's a soft silicone tip at the end, so you won't be poking your eye with anything sharp. Once you let go, it binds the lash and holds it, so you no longer have to hold it closed and put it near your eye like a traditional tweezer. The third and my favorite thing about Lash Binder is I developed it so that you can place Lash Binder on any flat surface while the glue is drying to the lash, so that you can put on your mascara and curl your lashes if you want while the glue is drying. I hope that you love Lash Binder as much as I do. With proper care, Lash Binder should last you a lifetime.